2、3开始了。
Hello, Domi Moiba. Today is sunny, and we tested the carbonization furnace with the generator. Here you can see the generator. This morning, the generator supplier just sent the generator to our factory. Today, the generator will supply the electricity for the whole system of the carbonization. Okay, let me explain the carbonization step by step.
加材料了。
挺好。Here you can see this is the first conveyor that is for feeding the materials to the furnace. Here that is the adjustable motor. We can adjust the speed for feeding materials. Today we tested the materials as sawdust. Here you can see the sawdust will be transported through this conveyor to the body of the furnace. You can see that there are two circles in the furnace.
Eh, 给这打开，这打开。
The red ones are the diesel burner, and this morning we equipped.
做。
You also can see that in the body, in the furnace body, there are flares,
走走走。
and the diesel burner are working now. Okay, so let's see the charcoal burner.
没听完我们不拍了吧？
This is the charcoal burner. If you use the charcoal burner, you can use that. If you change it, you also can change to use the diesel burner. It's up to you.
赔2块啊？
Now you can see the electricity cabinet. This cabinet controls the whole motors and the electric parts of the furnace. 看那个微波炉。 This meter will show the furnace body temperature. For our experience, the temperature reached to 370 degrees. It's okay. That means we can feed the materials into the furnace body. This one is the temperature of the after cooling, after carbonizing. That means carbonizing the materials, the charcoal will be discharged at this temperature.
啊？
Today that is our test. So we just use our diesel tank for testing. And you can see how the diesel burner working, how the diesel burner and the diesel tank connected. materials collecting. We know when the materials are carbonized, there are some harmful components, even something that must be removed from the charcoal. So these parts are for collecting and purifying. After purifying, the smoke will be injected to the burner. That is the fun to stack the smoke, to stack the smoke.
吃掉。
These two conveyors are for discharging charcoal out.
划掉水缸。
After the whole process, we can get the charcoal powders.
这我录啥看不见。
Okay, that is the whole process of the furnace.
你捧出来点，捧到手里，老拍拍。
You can see the quality of the charcoal.